how heated seats and massage seats works. Now what we have here is the seat back foam and the lumbar massage. So there's a wiring harness from module down to the seat and seat back. And when you switch on the heated seats, these wirings do the trick. This is the control module of the lumbar massage seat. And when you turn on the massage on your control panel, there is a control module here and a small pump that works to do the massage. Now, when you switch on the heated seats and you can feel warm on the seat and seat back, that is because of this wires that looks like a veins. With this wires connected to the control module, you can select if you want high or low temperature. Take note that this is not just an ordinary wires. These wires are designed for heated seats, and once the wires are damaged, I highly suggest you to replace it. Now let's get back to the massage seat. What you see here is the massage pads. So, the air flows to the blue hoses that inflate these pads and makes massage your back. There's a pump right here that pumps air to make inflate these massage pads. And as always, this air pump is also controlled by the control module. Once you select which pattern of massage you like, the module at the back of this seat do the trick. Let me show you the new lumbar massage control module assembly. This is the new air pump. And this is the new lumbar massage pads. Let's skip the assembling and go to the operation of this seat. Look closely on the seat back leather, and you'll see the movement of the massage pads. You can also change the massage pattern by selecting on the control panel. And that's one of the special features of having a luxury vehicle. Thank you for watching. Hoping you learned something new today. Please don't forget to like and subscribe.